Hey, oh, you're coming now. Baby, la kutu la kata. No, you will spoil my fastest. No. Hey, I didn't know you were this sweet. Hey, hope you have gotten the alert.
Yes, I've got it.
This man!
Hey, the most surprising part of this whole thing is, all the guests I used to bring to my house, they will say, you must use condom, sir. Chief, you must use condom. You are the only person that say, I should not use condom. Why did you say you don't want me to use condom?
Hey. Now, when I never get HIV, I dey use condom.
Hey!
Where I get them? Flesh to flesh, skin to skin.
Is it the symptoms, the disease?
Yes?
I don't get HIV. Waiting I dey fear again. Now, when I never get HIV, I dey use condom. But now, where I get them? Flesh to flesh, skin to skin. Shebi you enjoy it.
We are not informed too. Continue.
I don't forget to tell you if I get it.
I hear me, bad me.
Doctor even tell me say gonorrhea sef don join am. Yes, you go dey see now. Fine man. See you next time.
We must learn a lesson.
You say you got
Oh, no.
You can never, you know you cannot make it.
Wamo one kamga koro iju wamo